If you look at this question is asking what is the solution of this particular part. So 4 can be easily written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. So this is to the power of x minus 1. 3 can be written as 3 to the power 1. 2 to the power 2 x plus 1 to the power of half. So 2 square into 3 to the power 2 x minus 2, that is equal to 3 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 2 x plus 1 divided by 2. Yes or no? According to what formula? According to the formula a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So I can write now. See, we can gather the powers. Now 3 to the power 2 x minus 2 divided by 3 to the power 1, that is equal to 2 to the power 2 x plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 to the power 2. So 3 to the power 2x minus 2 minus 1. Why? A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. That is equal to 2 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 2 minus 2. Correct? So what will be the case now? 3 to the power 2x minus 3. 3 to the power 2x minus 3. That is equal to 2 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 4. So 2x minus 3 divided by 4, correct or not? 4. So what can we do? We can write like this, no? See now, taking fourth power. When we take the fourth power, what will happen? We will get 3 times 2x minus 3 to the power of 4. That is equal to 2 to the power 2x minus 3 divided by 4 whole to the power of 4. So I can say 3 to the power 8x minus 12, that is equal to 2 to the power 2x minus 3. Correct? 4 and 4 will get cancelled, however. So we can say now, question is asking for what is the solution, right? So I can say take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. What do you get when you take log on both sides now? We'll get 8x minus 12 log 3. That is equal to 2x minus 3 log 2. Yes, log 2. Log 2. So, I can say 8x log 3 minus 12 log 3, that is equal to 2x log 2 minus 3 log 2. So, if you say 8 log 3 minus 2 log 2 times x, that is equal to 12 log 3 minus 3 log 2, correct? 3 log 2. So if you take out 2 common, 2x into 4 log 3 minus of log 2, that is equal to 3 times 3 you take out common, 4 log 3 minus of log 2. So what will happen? See, 4 log 3 minus log 2 on both sides will get cancelled. This implies 2x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 3 by 2. This is an important question. Solution.